First of all, welcome back.
Cheers.
How did it feel to get back on the pitch again?
Good really, it's been a long time coming. I've been out now 4 months just over. It's nice to get some game time, to tell you the truth.
What was it like being out, not being able to play?
To be fair, I said this to Bernard John, I didn't miss it for the first 3 weeks, you never do. But then after that, it was just killing me every Saturday. I don't like watching football, that's why I don't really get down much.
Must have been gutting, I bet you thought you scored. You thought offside.
Yeah, I think that's who was offside, I think that's who he's flagged for, so it's still lucky really. But at the end of the day, he got the winner, so swings and roundabouts.
Well, the buzz is still here, and we want the playoffs. Do you think it's still achievable?
Yeah, I think we'll get to the playoffs. There's no reason why we can't get up. We've just got to make sure we're right and prepared for every game now. Make sure we get the wins.
What did it feel like when Gascoigne put that goal in at the end? How did it feel?
A bit of relief really. I don't think we've played our best today. It's a bit scrappy at times. I don't think the pitch helps. It's a bit bouncy. So just for a bit of relief to get the goal and get all 3 points.
Anyway, welcome back and good luck this season.
Cheers mate, thanks very much.